Hi everyone, I will be going over how to order books while using Amazon and add the gift receipt option. Here we go with sending your literacy buddy a book while using Amazon. First, you're going to begin by searching for a book at the taskbar at top of the page. My buddy is Jimmy. He is a 3-year-old boy and he is interested in a book about dinosaurs. When you find the book that you would like to order, select it. Scroll over and add to cart. Click Proceed to Checkout. Select Change next to the shipping address. You are going to select Add a new address. Under full name, I recommend inputting the teacher's information. Whatever teacher you are assigned to, you're going to input the facility address, then to the city, the state, the zip code, and the phone number. I recommend inputting the phone number for the facility. That will also be located on your interest letter. You're going to scroll down and click Add Address. Now we are going to scroll down and select Add Gift Options. This is where you're going to write a letter to your little buddy. You're going to type in whatever you would like, and you're going to save gift options and continue. Please be sure to attach a gift receipt, as the teacher will be able to tell who the package belongs to and who they received it from. Some buddies also mail in a handwritten letter as well to their buddy. We're going to scroll down and verify that the information is correct, the shipping address is correct. Scroll down and you're going to click Place Your Order. Thank you for listening to our video on how to order a book on Amazon for your buddy.